BGP border gateway protocol, BGP used to exchange route within AS and between AS. Okay, and this is layer 7 protocol uses TCP at layer 4, and BGP always perform three-way handshake. Okay, and uses port number 179. And BGP has two type of neighborship, IBGP and EBGP. IBGP means internal BGP. When we are communicate in same AS, then BGP neighborship type is IBGP. And when we are communicating different AS, that time BGP neighborship type is EBGP, external BGP. And IBGP and EBGP both are performed by two ways, direct and indirect. Direct means when BGP source and destination in same network, that time neighborship type is direct, and when source and destination both are in different network, that time neighborship type is indirect. Any confusion?
No, sir.
So direct and indirect, when source and destination both are in same network, then BGP neighborship type is direct, and when BGP source and destination both are in different network, that time neighborship type is indirect. So let's configure the BGP and IBGP run only on the GNS3. This is not run on the Cisco packet tracer. Okay, bro. So first we do the IBGP direct. We have same AS and same source and destination network. So first we configure the IBGP direct neighborship. Firstly, we have to configure the IP address in interface F0 by 0, and IP address is 21.0.0.1255, and then no shutdown. Sorry, no shut. Exit. Global configuration mode interface F0 by 0. IP address is 21.0.0.255, and then no shutdown. Exit. Now we configure the BGP. So in global configuration mode, router BGP AS number is 10, and then we give the neighbor. So neighbor is 21.0.0.2. Okay, bro.
नेबर
And
का आईपी
then
एड्रेस देना है सर.
yes, bro.
Okay.
And then remote AS, which AS number is running on the router 2. So here we give the 10. Then next. Now on router 2, router BGP 10, neighbor is 21.0.0.1, remote AS is 10, and wait, BGP neighborship type is BGP neighbor is up. So IP BGP summary. BGP neighbor is 21.0.0.1, version is 4, AS number is 10, message received for same 4. Any problem in this? Firstly, we have to configure the IP address on fast Ethernet F4 by 0 and no shutdown. IP address is 10.0.0.255 and then no shutdown. No shutdown. Okay, now on router 3. Global configuration mode. Interface F4 by 0. IP address is 10.0.0.3.255 and then no shutdown. Now we configure the BGP firstly on router 1. So on router 1, router 2 is already our neighbor when we perform the IBGP direct neighborship. Okay, so go on router BGP 10. Another neighbor is 10.0.0.3, router 3. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and the remote AS is 10.
10.
Configure on the router 2, router BGP 10, neighbor is 10.0.0.3, remote AS is 10,
10.
then exit. On router 3, we have two neighbors, router 2 and router 1. So router BGP 10, neighbor is 10.0.0.2, remote AS is 10, neighbor is 21.0.0.1, remote AS is 10. Now you can see router 3 neighborship is up with router 2. You can check. So IPBGP something. Okay, router 2 neighborship is up. But router 1 21.0.0.1 neighborship is not up. This is in ideal state. On router 2, both neighborship from router 2 and from router 1 and router 3 both neighborship is up. So IPBGP summary.
सही है, राउटिंग टेबल दिखा रहा है इस कमांड से.
बीजीपी समरी दिखा रहा है बीजीपी के कौन कौन से नेबर है. When we check on the show IP BGP summary, router 3 neighborship is in ideal state, but router 2 is our neighbor. So where's the problem? Now we can configure the BGP, but neighborship is down. So make neighborship, we have to configure the routing. If you want to configure the static routing or the dynamic routing. Okay, bro. So let's configure static routing to make a neighbor with different network. I can do IP route which network? 10 network.
Yes, sir. 10 network.
Then subnet mask. And then next hop IP is 21.0.0.2.
F00.
Next hop IP.
ओ वो भी देना होगा.
This is static routing by using next hop
Right,
IP.
sir. Right, sir.
and then IP route 21 network subnet mask, and then the next hop IP
10.0.0.2.
10.0.2. So IP never switch up. Okay, bro. So BGP messages, we have four types of BGP message: open message, keep alive message, update message, and the notification message. First one is open message, used to establish the neighbor relationship and exchange basic parameter, including AS number and the router ID. And this is only sent only one time. Okay, bro. Open
Yeah.
message sent only one time, and it's used to make a neighbor relationship and exchange basic parameter like AS number, router ID, these things. And second one is keep alive. This is sent to maintain the neighbor relationship and keep alive. Always send message interval of 60 seconds. Okay, and then update message. It's used to exchange the route information and also used to exchange the path attributes. And last one is notification, used to signal a BGP error. State of BGP: ideal, connect, active, open sent, open confirm, and establish. So the BGP process is either administrative down or waiting for next retry attempt. Okay, in connect, the BGP process is waiting for the TCP connection to be completed. If it is successful, it continue in the open sent. In case of it fails, it will continue to the active state. In this, TCP process is running. If it is successful, it go in the open sent. In the case of it fails, it go in the active state. And the active state BGP will try another TCP three-way handshake to establish a connection with the BGP neighbor. If it is successful, it will move in the open sent state. Next one is open sent. The TCP connection exists and a BGP open message has been sent to the peer, but the matching BGP open message has not yet been received from the other router. Okay. Last one is open confirm. BGP open message sent and received from both router. Next step is to send a keep alive message or a notification message if any basic parameter is mismatched. In establish all BGP neighbor parameter match, the BGP neighbor relationship has been established and the peer can now exchange the update packet. And path and local preferences, local injected origin code med neighbor type IGP cost oldest neighbor router ID and interface IP. If anyone want to learn about this and about one talk file regarding BGP path attributes. होगा क्या तो एडमिन क्या क्या होगा